Good day. Last time a girlfriend ordered sa Orange app o wireless microphone and earlier nabot siya. She's very happy with her purchase kaya aside from its price na very affordable which is 192 including the shipping, it also comes with sudlanan, wire for charging, and it also has an instruction set on how to use the item. But for Type-C lang noon siya. And nasa siya yung noise cancellation, and actually I am using it right now, and
Ayan, hi there. Nawawala yung microphone foam. Ito, yung ganito. Isang piraso. However, silyado yung box. Ayan, kulang ng isang ganito. So, ayan. So, yan lang naman yung mga inclusion. So, wala yung isang ganito.
Sa pag-deliver sa item. So, maraming salamat po.